Make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Ito po tayo ngayon sa Tempo, Makati para sa isang surprise gift delivery. Galing kay Sir Gilbert ng UAE. Halina't surprisahin natin si Ma'am Annalisa sa kanyang kaarawan.
Growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink.
Hello, Ma. Happy birthday.
Too much to drink.
Meron po kayong surprise gift delivery. Galing po kay Sir Gilbert ng UAE.
Happy birthday.
Meron po magdalang gift items.
Pwede po kayong pumasok.
Hi, baby.
Pasok kami, ma'am.
Again po, happy birthday. Meron po kayong surprise gift delivery. Galing po kay Sir Gilbert ng UAE.
Happy birthday.
Ito po yung mga gift items ni Sir sa inyo po. Meron po kayong balloons. And then yung bouquet of flowers po.
Ayan po.
And then yung gift items. Ito ba, pwede nyo pong i-open.
Yan, ma'am. Gift item niyo po.
Surprise talaga.
I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold.
Naluluhan siya. Ayan po.
Meron po kayong teddy bear.
Teddy bear po.
Even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes
And
in
then,
our
syempre po,
kitchen sink.
pag my birthday,
Put you to bed
Meron
when
din
you
po.
had too much.
cake.
Cake.
Oh, I could
Ayan po,
be
you
the
have cake.
man.
You have cake po. Yung
Grows old with you. I wanna grow.
And then, syempre po, meron po siyang konting mensahe po sa inyo na gusto pong iparating. Hi, mahal ko. Gusto ko lang naman sanang batiin ka ng maligayang kaarawan. Kaso ang boring naman. Kaya gumawa ako ng konting effort para sa'yo. Mahal, I always thinks to God kasi ikaw yung pinakaloob sa akin na maging nanay ng anak ko. Madami-dami na din ang pagsubok na dumaan sa atin, lalo na ang mga kalokohan ko. Nagpapasalamat ako kasi nagagawa mo pa din ako patawarin at hindi ka sumuko. Message ko na lang yung iba. Once again, maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Ingatan mo lagi anak natin. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Darating yung araw na magkakasama din tayo. Love you, mahal. Enjoy your birthday.
Wow.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Then wish niyo po muna. Dami. Bago niyo po i-blow, syempre.
Make you smile whenever you're sad.
Happy
Carry you around when your
Sige, siya
arthritis is
ma'am.
bad.
Happy birthday, mahal ko.
All I
From
wanna
Gilbert.
Grow
And then, syempre po, may messages sa inyo kanina. Hingi po kami ng konting message niya.
Message niyo po sa kanya, ma'am.
when your tummy aches.
Inis ka, paandar mo. Kaya pala hindi ka bumabate. Simula kang gabi. May
Could be
ganito.
so nice.
Yun lang, ingat ka dyan.
Growing old
Tapos
with
first
you.
time, kaya nakakaiyak. 30 years of joy naman.
I'll
Ingat ka dyan,
miss
mahal
you,
ko, love you. At may
kiss
kailangan
you,
glow yung mood.
give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink, put you to bed when you've had too much to drink.